If your desktop icons look massive, your taskbar is taking up half the screen, and everything just feels completely out of scale. Windows has likely misconfigured your primary display settings. We are going to reset your system-wide layout to its exact native proportions using 2 quick adjustments. First, look for any empty space on your desktop. Right-click it, and from the context menu, select Display Settings. Once the settings window opens, scroll down to the section labeled Scale and Layout. Right below that, look at Display Resolutions. This is the most common culprit. Click the drop-down and select the exact resolution that has the recommended tag next to it. If your screen flashes black for a second, that's completely normal. Windows is just adjusting the pixel grid. Click Keep Changes when prompted. Our next setting here is Scale. Click the drop-down menu and make sure it is set to the percentage marked recommended. This is usually 100%, 125%, or 150%, depending on your monitor. If it was set higher, you will immediately see your windows shrink back to a usable size. Now your layout should be perfectly crisp and back to its standard size. If your main Windows desktop looks perfectly fine, but a specific app like your web browser, Spotify, or Discord is suddenly giant or way too small, you have likely accidentally triggered an application zoom. Fixing this takes exactly 2 seconds. With the problematic window open and active, press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard. This is the universal reset zoom shortcut. It instantly snaps the application back to its default 100% size. Alternatively, you can do this manually using your mouse. Look at the very top right corner of your web browser and click the 3 vertical dots or lines to open the menu. Now look for the zoom rule. If it says anything other than 100%, you can use the plus or minus buttons right there to bring it back to normal. Or simply click the little magnifying glass icon that appears in your address bar to reset it. Your apps and websites should now be perfectly readable again. If this quick fix saved your desktop, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows optimization and fixes.